This is a guided meditation of a powerful visualization technique called the empty room. The empty room is designed to help you when you're facing a tough decision. And maybe you're feeling stuck, you're feeling paralyzed, maybe you've tried your best, but no matter how much you try to think your way through it, you just can't come to a decision. So it can be helpful to have someone else guide you through a process to help you figure out which decision might be best for you. This is a guided version of the empty room technique. So go ahead, find a quiet place to settle in, whether it's a comfortable chair or it's lying on a couch, lying on a bed, and take this moment to quiet your mind, cut through all of the noise, and really focus in and try to tap into your true, authentic self and find the wisdom that you already have within you. Let's begin. Find a quiet, comfortable place. You can sit back in a chair, lie down on a couch, or rest in bed. Now that you are in that comfortable place, take a moment to settle in. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and out. Again, nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Notice your body. If you're feeling any tension, allow your body to soften. Let your shoulders drop, unclench your jaw, relax your hands. You are safe. You are supported. You are here. Now, imagine yourself standing in a completely empty room. Four walls, a floor, and a ceiling. And it's all white. There are no windows, no doors. Just you in this space. The room is quiet, still, safe. Take a moment to simply notice how it feels to be here. Now let's explore. I'll ask you some questions. You don't need to force the answers. Just allow whatever arises to come naturally. If you could do anything, absolutely anything in this room, what would you do? What would you add to this room to feel more comfortable, more at peace? If you could only choose three things to bring into this room with you, what would they be and why? What purpose would they serve? If this room reflected your deepest values, what would it look like? What would you have in this room that gives you a sense of pride, accomplishment, or satisfaction? Now imagine a window appears on one of the walls. You walk toward it and look outside. What do you see through the window? Describe it in detail. Next, a door forms in the wall. It slowly opens and someone steps inside. Who is it? How do you feel as they walk in? What do they say to you? If this person were to give you some advice, what advice would they give you? If you were to give them advice, what advice would you give this person? If you could choose one person to be in this room with you, who would it be and why? Now imagine that someone walks in the room that you are having difficulty with. This person is a challenge. Who is that person? And what would you say to that person if they were in the room and you could say anything you wanted? Now let's go a little bit different direction. If this room symbolized your future, what does it look like 1 year from now? What does it look like 5 years from now? And what does it look like 10 years from now? If you could leave something behind in this room forever, what would you choose? If you could take one thing with you as you leave, what would it be? Now, take a deep breath in and blow it out. You think about the decision that you have to make. Notice what feels clear. Notice what feels important. Tune your attention into your heart or into your gut. Try to listen to what your heart or your gut is telling you. Or maybe you feel a pull or a tug in a certain direction. Have you gained some clarity? Or are there some things that might still be a little bit fuzzy? That's okay. Sometimes clarity takes time. But also, if you were to trust yourself in this moment of focus, of clarity, of grounding, what would your decision be? Take one more deep breath in through your nose. Breathe it out through your mouth. When you're ready, and you can gently open your eyes. I hope that this exercise was helpful and that did bring you some clarity, some focus, some direction. And most of all, again, trust yourself. Trust your true, authentic self, and that the path that's right for you will reveal itself. If you want a copy of these questions so that you can come back to them, you can even practice doing this on your own. I've left a link down in the description so you can get a copy of the questions for yourself. Leave a comment down below and share what this exercise was like for you. I'd love to hear from you. And be sure to visit my channel where I have many more videos that are guided visualizations, relaxations, meditations, and other mental health tips to help you live your best life. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.